Today we are going to evaluate reverse pollination stack problem. Let me read you the problem statement. You are given an array of string tokens that represent an arithmetic expression, reverse pollination. Evaluate the expression return integer that represent the value of expression. It's kind of a math problem. Let me walk you through with the example. Our token is 2, 2, 1, then plus the then multiplication. How we are going to do? We are going to iterate each element and store in our stack. After that, when we got any kind of arithmetic operation like plus, division, multiplication, we are going to use our two previous elements. Look like this. We are going to pop add 2, then 1. Then when we get plus, we are going to pop those elements and store it in some other value spaces. Then we are going to pop 1, then we are going to add it with 2, then store it in another stack. Then after that we are going to iterate other numbers. At this time we got like 3, then our plus operation is over. After that we are going to add 3, then we are going to add multiplication. When you get multiplication, we are going to pop those two elements and multiply each other. Then we are going to pick 3, then multiply it by 3. At this time the answer is going to be 9. That's how we are going to operate this thing. I think you got the idea. To do that, we are going to start with stack. Our stack is going to be an empty array. After that we are going to iterate each tokens for n in tokens. What we are going to do, we need to check if n is the plus sign. If it is plus sign, what we are going to do, stack dot append stack dot pop the last element of the stack plus. After removing that element, we are going to remove another element from the last index. That's all we are going to do. Then we are going to append in our stack. Else if our n equals to minus sign, what we are going to do, this is the trickiest part. If you are using like minus and division, how we are going to do it. If you are using division, for example, let me work through this example. The first element is 4, then we are going to add 30, then we are going to add 5. Then in the division, like we are going to divide by like 30 by 5, not 5 by 30. Then at this time our 30 divided by 5, we got some value, doesn't matter. After that we are going to add it. When we add it, same thing, we are going to add 4 plus 30 over 50. That is the whole answer. To do that, let's find our values. Stack dot pop stack.pop. Then we're going to add our stack b minus a. That's how we are going to do it. And if our n equal to multiplication, we are going to do the same thing like the addition. Let me copy paste this thing, except the plus sign. We are going to change this one. The same thing for division. We are going to do the same thing. I don't want to waste your time. It's going to be division, and this one is going to be division. But at this time, when we divide by any number, it's going to be integer. Let's change this thing into integer. Also, if there is any kind of operation inside, we are going to add our n value in our stack dot append integer of n. After that, we are going to return our stack of the first index. That's how we are going to do it. Yeah, it's work and kind of it's pretty efficient. Yeah, it's worked perfectly.